The boy who cried wolf finally found a real one. After 3 years of empty rumors, the signals are finally undeniable. The Rolex Pepsi is dead. Authorized dealers are reportedly closing waitlists. Baccarat and major UK retailers have scrubbed the 126710 BLRO from their websites. And if you're looking at the secondary market, good luck. Prices have spiked 30% since December, with unworn examples now pushing past $30,000. But here is the LuxePulse reality check. If you're panic buying a Pepsi right now, ask yourself, are a collector or are you buying into the hype? Is it a watch you really want? In January, Rolex pushed the steel GMT over the £10,000 mark in the UK. That was the psychological ceiling. For years, we justified the hype because the retail entry was reasonable. At £10,000, that logic evaporates. Rolex isn't discontinuing the Pepsi because they can't make it. Ask yourself, are they discontinuing it because they've perfected the Hulk playbook? They kill the icon, let the secondary market reach a fever pitch, and then, at Watches and Wonders next month, introduce a ceramic Coke. The patent for the red and black ceramic process has been sitting there since 2022. By killing the Pepsi now, Rolex ensures that the Coke doesn't just launch, it explodes. So, do you spend £30,000 on a discontinued steel watch that cost £9,000 2 years ago? Or do you realize that the market reset I've been talking about is actually working in your favor? The smart money in 2026 is staying quiet. They're watching the Tudor Centenary releases, they're picking up Explorers and other GMT models at retail, and they're letting the FOMO crowd fight over the scraps of the Pepsi era. Don't buy the peak of a panic. Buy the watch you actually want to wear.